everyone, welcome back to the Outdoors. Today we're gonna go sturgeon fishing. That's not even a word. Fishing with my dad. He's a guide, really professional guide.
Whoa, hold up there. Sorry, wrong intro. That was from 2022. It's 2023.
Make sure to hit that subscribing button.
And he has a lot of experience. He's mostly a salmon fishing guy because he loves salmon, loves catching salmon, especially in Astoria. But yeah, we're gonna go sturgeon fishing today. Catch and release. I'm 97% sure. He said catch and release. So yeah, it's catch and release. There's also customers that are paying him to take him out and go fishing. There's about 5 people, I think. About 5 customers. And we got our sweet little cat here. Sorry, but sweetest cat ever. But yeah, it's 7:05, so it's really dark out. Then we got the Tahoe, like it's a big car, old car too. It's right there. Just he's packing it up, so we're getting ready to go fishing. But eventually, I'll look at this back at this video. It's like that's what I used to do as a kid. I always would go fishing a lot because that's what I do a lot. But anyway, other than that, I have the Max and the GoPro 8, and the GoPro Max. If you don't know what a GoPro is, it's a strong action camera. They're basically invincible, and they're really popular. Basically, every YouTuber knows what they are. But yeah, so that's what I used to record. I don't use Sony cameras. Those are like $10,000 or like $3,000. Like Sony cameras. So those are like Hollywood cameras, basically. Before we go there, we'll go to like a store to get some breakfast and food, and then we'll meet you guys at the river. I gotta grab this GoPro attachment and meet you guys in the car. Coming! Not know what it was. It was really concerning. Let's go. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, the sun's starting to slowly come out. But yeah. Let's get in the car, guys. Alright, guys. We got the GoPros. We got the GoPro 10. We got the 8 in there. We're all GoPro to the max. That actually is a GoPro anyway. But anyway, so we're driving there. The sun's starting to come out a little bit sooner and stuff. We're gonna stop at Jimbo's, get some nice snacks. See and meet the customers, and we'll get to the boat and start our fishing day. So that's what we're doing today. I think I should put a time lapse here, but I don't know. I need to figure out how I do that.
Just a normal day in Ohio.
All right, guys, we got in the boat. We're all set up, and this is where we're gonna dump the boat in right over there. And I can't remember if I fished here before or actually went with them to launch the boat here once, but stuff in there. And see you guys when we get into the water. All right, guys, so he's backing us out and putting us in the water. Anyway, guys, let's put the boat in the water. Alright, guys, so we just launched the boat. We're about to go fast and find our spot. And we're anchor fishing this time for sturgeon, so we could catch some massive ones. Found our spot, anchored, and we got it. This is gonna be my rod.
I didn't ask.
Guys, the crazy thing about this is we can catch a sturgeon from this side of the boat all the way to the other side of the boat. I'd say on average we would get one from, this would be average, 2.5 feet 2 feet or something like that. Wow, this is awesome. And then we have it, oh my god, the EV comp's way up. I need to decrease that, I think. Now that's a big ship coming. Yeah, yada yada yada. We went on exploring, trying to catch fish. Then the unexpected happened. Someone wanted to board our ship. You need to see this, guys. Watch to the end.
Boarding one. Proactively kind of put me on.
Well, that was fun.
Alright, there's some good news. They just ordered us. Good news is we're moving to a better spot. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Sorry we didn't catch anything, no sturgeon. But this is probably one of my favorite videos because it was funny, really funny. And it included awesome time lapses with my GoPro Max, my new camera I got. See ya.
Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you.